So just to show you how our CAD Translate software works, there are 3 different methods of running our software. The first is interactively. So this is where you can sit inside your own CAD application and you can do a very simple export. In this case, we're inside 3D Experience and we're going into JT. You can see it's seamless, it's easy to use, there's no real training needed, and you can stay within the CAD application that you know and love. In a similar way, you can import. Again, we're using JT as the example here. And everything's taken through. All of the assembly structure, the solids like B-rep and faceted information's all transferred. Your capture views come through. All the product manufacturing information, MBD information, FTA, that's all transferred. The user-defined attributes come through, surfaces, wireframe. In that example, you saw 3D Experience and JT, but it works exactly the same way for CATIA V5, Creo, NX, SolidWorks, and many more. So the second way of running is with our unified interface. So you can see on the right-hand side, all the translators are controlled in one place, and you can quickly and easily just drag and drop your selected files onto the translator of your choice. You can see that successfully processed. You can view the log file to see that that's successfully converted and there are no errors. You can customize the configuration options, and then you can select those config options at the point of publishing. You can select multiple files for batch processing. So for users who have a higher volume of data to be processed, they can convert their data in batch. And they can run the batch list for seamless processing that you can see there top right. So the last way that you can run the translator is using the command line. So again, you're seeing the very simple drag and drop. You can select multiple files and schedule jobs to run, for example, overnight or over a weekend. You can integrate with your PLM, have external workflow integration, and you can really maximize the license and machine capacity.